Pascal, oh. Pascal, listen to me. Come and do the DNA. Pascal Okochuku, come and do the DNA. Then Angel, I beg you, talk to your husband. Let your husband come and do the DNA. Pascal, listen to me. Come and do the DNA. Come and do the DNA, Oga. I did not beg you to have it with me. I was on my own, doing my thing. I was on my own. I never begged you. I never forced you to have anything to do with me. You thought I was going to give you a baby girl. But God is the only person who gives out children. So when you knew that I'm carrying a boy, now your mind changed. Why did you tell me to keep this baby? If you didn't want anything to do, if you had nothing to do with this child. Why? Because your thinking was, you thought that I'm going to give you a baby girl. Pascal, come and do the DNA. Pascal, come and take responsibility. Because this boy, I swear with my mother's grave. Pascal, I swear. I'm swearing with my dad. I'm swearing with my life. I'm giving you 2 months. I swear. I don't want to tell you what is going to happen. I'm not threatening you. I swear with my life. Let whatever happen, happen.
John, my people, wonders they say shall never end though. This Cubana chief priest alleged baby mama is at it again, oh. But make she no carry this her madness, this her way near SCP's wife, oh, cause me myself no go gree. No be person tell you say make you open leg allegedly. Assuming say what you they talk all this while na true. He not tell you say he be married man. You know they online to see that he's a married man. You where them carry as olo show, you know say na your business, say you suppose protect yourself. Wetin dey work you? Instead of you to cool down as the boss advise you, cool down and beg his wife to please talk to his husband to see if they will start taking care of the child. That is if the child is yours, so if they do DNA and the child belongs to you. You understand? And not you attacking everybody. First it was CP, now his wife. You are telling his wife that he should warn her like her husband. As what? I say you know the shame. Say this thing the thing they vex me. Ezoku. Some women need to have sense. If you make up your mind, say a married man, you go they just the open leg for. Make yourself take caution. They are married. Make yourself know the open leg they carry belly for them. They don't go leave their wife to wife you. To fear this girl Suzukwa Ikebiko. This thing don't tire me. The matter don't tire me. He don't give 2 months now. Make we they watch.